showtime. And now we're gonna start with a quiz. I chose this one. It's the fifth planet from the sun, and it has a spot, like a tornado, which is called the Great Red Spot. Did you guess it? And it's 10 hours a day. Did you guess it? Yeah, it's Jupiter. Woo, Rolly. This is the Great Red Spot. The Earth can be the size of this in real life. And now I'm gonna choose, this one right here. Whoa. It's not a planet, it's blazing hot, and all the planets orbit around it. You guessed it, it's the sun. Blazing hot. Woo! Oh my gosh. Yeah, better. Now I'm gonna choose. Sorry about that. This one. This is you guessed it. I think you already guessed it because of this color, but it's the seventh planet from the sun, and it's cold. It has, it smells like rotten egg because of the hydrogen sulfide. I think you guessed it. It's Uranus. Uranus. Now we're gonna choose this one. I might repeat a few of the planets. Ring planet, you guessed it, Saturn. When I say ring planet, you might have guessed it, rings. Ooh, ring around the rose is. Okay, so now we're gonna take this one, blazing hot again. This planet is Earth's sister. It's called Earth's sister, and it's the hottest planet of the sun. 1, 2, 3. I think you guessed it. It's Venus. Might have been so easy. Oh, here comes the hardest one, I guess. Oh my gosh, where does it go? Yeah. This is a dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt. Only the people who know Kuiper Belt can figure this out. It's a dwarf planet. I think you guessed it. It's Pluto. It's not a planet, it's a dwarf planet. But there are four more dwarf planets. And one in the asteroid belt. In the Kuiper Belt, it's after Neptune. It's like the asteroid belt, but it's called the Kuiper Belt after Neptune. That's where almost all the dwarf planets live. Oh, yep. I got this one. It orbits around Earth. You guess it. It's the moon. And now, here comes the rocky one. So this planet is just after Earth, and it's like an asteroid slingshot going to the sun. What is it? It's Mars, and it has a moon like a volcano that's called Olympus. It's the biggest volcano in the entire solar system. Even bigger than Earth's, Mount Everest. Oh, here comes another rocky one, and a hot one. It's the first planet on the sun. I think you guessed it already. It's Mercury. It has a long period of day, which is it's like blazing hot, and when it's night, it's so cold. And now we're gonna take this one. We didn't do it before, so get ready. The last planet from the sun is green. I think you already did it. It's Neptune. And now we're going to do this one. This round, we're gonna do things hard. We're gonna do hard things. So so we have this, I showed you the sun, we have the Pluto, we have Uranus, so get warmed up. You might even want to repeat round 1. Round 2, it's hard. I'm gonna tell you which number. It's like a number. It's the, it's the 6th planet from the sun. Sure, it's Saturn. I hope you guessed it. This is hard. I'm gonna tell you which planet from the sun it is. This is not a planet, but it's the first. It's the sun. I think you guessed it right. The cracky sun. Because it has a lot of cracks, get it? Aha, I think I know which one I'm gonna do now, which I didn't do. It's the 3rd planet from the sun. You guessed it, I guess. It's Earth. You're standing on it right now. You're standing on this right now. Aha, this is going to be tricky. It's the first D. It's the first D planet from Neptune. I think you guessed it, it's Pluto, and I said D because I don't want you to know it's dwarf. D means dwarf. I think I'm going with this now. And it's like a solid rock, even to touch it. Got it. Sneak peek. It's a gray planet, and it's gray. It's a gray rock, and it orbits around Earth, and it's not a planet. The moon. Did you hear that? That was weird. We finished round 2. If you got all the answers correct, then you're so good at planets. And if you got most of them correct, you're still good at planets. But if you got a little bit of them correct, try doing this video again. Bye!